One child gets sick, the whole house is getting sick. So let's get into this natural 2-ingredient cough syrup. The onion is anti-inflammatory. It's going to basically give them a boost to their immune system to help fight whatever virus or infections are trying to arise. First, you're going to add in your onion. Now, honey is antibacterial and also contains antimicrobial properties that help fight against viruses and colds. Normally, I let the onion infuse with the honey in the fridge for at least 24 hours. But for this video, I did 5 hours. If you have kids in the house and you prefer natural medicine, make this cough syrup the next time your kids get sick.